Dashcams are one of the simplest ways to protect yourself on the road, and the Mivo Dashcam Pro has been getting buzz online. But is it actually worth buying? Let's break down the features, performance, and real value. So the Mivo Dashcam Pro is a compact dash camera that provides high-resolution video, loop recording, parking mode, and reliable footage in all lighting conditions. It's positioned as a setup from cheap budget cams, but it's still more affordable than premium brands like Blackview or Thinkware. Today we're going to see if it lives up to those claims. First, let's start with the quality. The most critical factor in any dashcam. The Mivo Dashcam Pro typically records in 1080p or 1440p, giving you detailed road footage that's easy to review in case of an accident. In real-life testing, daytime video is clear. License plates, road signs, and lane markings are visible from a reasonable distance. Nighttime performance is decent. There's some grain, but overall usable. It's not as sharp as flagship models with star-based sensors, but for the price range it's acceptable. Overall, the image quality is solid for everyday drives and insurance evidence, but it won't beat a premium Sony sensor dashcam at night. So what about features? Loop recording. The camera automatically overwrites old footage so you don't run out of storage. Motion parking mode. Detects motion when your car is parked and saves clips. G-sensor impact detection. Locks crucial footage in case of sudden movement or a collision. Easy setup. Magnetic mount or simple suction mount. It makes installation quick. User experience is generally straightforward. Plug it into your 12-volt USB port. Set your preferred settings and you're good to go. The app, if supported, lets you review clips quickly on your phone. For most drivers, these features cover essential dashcam needs without overcomplicating things. Here are some of its pros. It's solid daytime video quality. Motion parking modes help protect your vehicle, easy setup for most cars, and good value for its price point. However, night footage is not top tier, grainier than premium sensors. Feature set is straightforward, no advanced driver assist alerts. Build or finish may feel more budget than high-end units. If you want cutting-edge night sensors or advanced driver alerts, you pay extra for those. So is the Mivo Dashcam Pro worth it? Yes, if you want reliable daily recording, good daytime footage, and essential safety features without breaking the bank. It's a good mid-range pick for everyday drivers or first-time dashcam buyers. It's probably not if you're after premium night vision or high-end sensors with advanced alerts. The bottom line for most drivers who just want to capture clear road footage and protect themselves in case of accidents, the Mivo Dashcam is worth considering, especially at its price point. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.